Hello everyone, my name is Diksha and today I'm going to tell you about the NFC devices. So here is our first card, which is our branding card, Digicarda, and at the back there is a QR code. And we have a custom NFC card which having like you can have your own logo upon it, and at the back there is a QR code. Now we are having three phones. First one is iOS. Second phone is Android phone which is having NFC, and the phone which does not have NFC. Now at the iOS, the NFC chip is at the top, so we need to tap the card at the top of it and press the thing, and the card will open up. In the Android phone which is having NFC, we just need to tap this card at the middle of it, and we'll get the profile will be open up. And at the at that phone which does not have NFC, we just need to open the camera and need to scan the QR code like this, and this is scanning, and now just open it and the profile will be open up there. Now we are providing a DigiTAG also. Please place the tag at the bottom of it, as in iOS the NFC chip at the top, so don't place your tag at the top, and in the Android which is having NFC, it is placed at the middle of it, so don't place your tag in the middle of it. Just place this tag, stick it to at the bottom. So if we need to see how it works, we just need to tap this. We just need to tap this at the top, and the notification will come up and the profile will be open up. Either you can scan this also. On your NFC card, we can configure two of the things. First one, we can configure your digital profile. Another thing is that we can configure your VCF file or save to contact file. In this card, we have configured the digital profile. When we are tapping this card, see the notification is coming up and the digital profile will be open up. And in this card, we have configured the VCF file, which is save to contact file. When we are tapping this card, directly the save to contact page will be open up. We can create, just click on create new contact and save this contact. You can choose any one of the option and just let us know. Thanks.